survive 3 weeks without food, 3 days without water. But what about sleep? How long can you push your body before it pushes back? This isn't just about feeling tired. This is about the moment your brain begins to hallucinate, your immune system gives up, and your grip on reality starts to slip. Today, we dive into real-world experiments, bizarre medical cases, and the unsettling science of what happens when you stop sleeping. Sleep is as essential as food, water, or air. Yet in today's 24/7 world, it's often treated as optional. We brag about all-nighters and celebrate Team No Sleep. But the truth is, when you rob your body of rest, the consequences are swift, silent, and deadly. In 1964, a high school student named Randy Gardner stayed awake for 11 days straight. He wanted to break a world record. He succeeded. But the results were disturbing. Slurred speech, paranoia, hallucinations, a glimpse into what happens when the brain can no longer rest. So the question is, how long can a human survive without sleep? And what really happens minute by minute, day by day, as you descend into sleep deprivation? Before we break it down, let's talk about what sleep actually does. During sleep, your brain cleans itself, literally. It flushes out toxins like beta amyloid, the same protein that builds up in Alzheimer's disease. Your body lowers blood pressure, regulates hormones, heals tissue, and boosts immune function. Emotionally, sleep resets your mood and strengthens memories. Sleep isn't just rest. It's maintenance, repair, and rebooting. Skip it, and everything starts to malfunction. So how much sleep do you need? The magic number for most adults is between 7 to 9 hours a night. Less than 6 hours. You enter the danger zone. Chronic deprivation affects nearly every major system in your body. And even if you think you're used to it, your brain's performance keeps declining. You just can't tell. Here's what happens when you stop sleeping. 18 hours, your brain's performance drops to the equivalent of a 0.05% blood alcohol level. You're technically impaired. 24 hours, it gets worse. Impairment jumps to 0.0% BAC. That's over the legal driving limit. 36 hours, emotional control breaks down. You become anxious, irritable, easily confused. 48 hours, microsleeps begin. Your brain starts shutting down in seconds-long blackouts. You could be walking, driving, working, and not even know you're unconscious. 72 hours, hallucinations, paranoia, severe memory lapses. The world stops making sense. 96 plus hours, full psychosis. Your brain can no longer tell what's real and what's imagined. Randy Gardner's 11-day vigil was closely monitored. On day 2, he couldn't focus his eyes. By day 5, he believed he was a football player. On day 11, he forgot how to subtract 7 from 100. After sleeping nearly 15 hours straight, Gardner reportedly recovered. But decades later, he admitted to suffering chronic insomnia, a possible long-term consequence. Others pushed further. Maureen Weston went 449 hours without sleep in a rocking chair marathon. Robert McDonald reached 453 hours. Guinness eventually stopped tracking these records. Why? Because it was too dangerous. Can sleep deprivation kill you? The short answer, yes. Thousands die each year from drowsy driving accidents. But the more chilling evidence comes from a rare condition, fatal familial insomnia. It's a genetic disease that destroys the brain's ability to sleep. Victims develop panic attacks, hallucinations, dementia, and die within months. In animal studies, rats forced to stay awake died after about 2-3 weeks, not from brain damage, but from catastrophic failure in the gut. Let's bust some myths. Myth: you can catch up on sleep over the weekend. Fact: false. Sleep debt builds up and takes over a week to recover. Myth: I can function fine on 4 hours. Fact: studies show you're impaired, even if you don't feel it. Myth: sleep is for the weak. Fact: sleep is for the wise. Could we one day skip sleep? Scientists are testing military drugs, brain zaps, and genetic tweaks. But so far, there's no substitute for natural sleep. Pills and stimulants can delay fatigue, but they can't replace the deep repair that only real sleep provides. So, how long can you survive without sleep? Technically, over 11 days, but long before your body gives out, your mind will. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's a biological necessity. The more you cheat it, the more it cheats you. So tonight, put the phone down. Dim the lights. Give your brain what it's begging for, rest. If this video woke you up to the truth, like and subscribe, and maybe take a nap.